ladies, it's Mama Donna from the Mountainside. I'm sharing with you one of our best kept secrets. I'm going to take a pair of leggings and I'm going to show you how to roll them to improve maximum storage. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the top part, the waistband, and fold it down. This is critical. You need to do that in order to create that burrito roll effect, okay? So what we're going to do is just fold it where we think maybe the knees are, okay? And then we're going to roll it. Just simply roll it all the way up. These are actually a pretty pair of leggings. Anyway, so we just keep rolling. And we're going to roll over the folded lip of the top there. And then once we get to the other side of it, the bottom half, we just pop it over. And there you have it. You have a burrito roll. And again, you can actually store 5 of these in place of where you would normally store 3. So this is pretty amazing. You can actually increase your storage space, right? All right.